Hey family, real quick before we jump into today's video, I want to share with you a TV mount that was sent to me for review. And since we already have all our TVs mounted, I decided to give this to Minx, of course, so that she could mount her TV on the wall in the living room. And so it comes with a leveler, all these screws that you need to adhere this to the wall. Also comes with a template so that you can get the holes into the studs appropriately so that your mount will hang the TV. And so these are just some extra tools that we added in to help, well, Ron added in to help the process go a little bit faster. First thing he did, of course, was to mark the studs in the wall once we figured out where she wanted the TV to be centered. And that's what he is doing here. We are using the template that came with the mount, which makes it a whole lot easier to mark the holes so that you don't have to do it but one time. And then he drills pilot holes so that he can go ahead and put the real screws in. And that's it. We make sure that it is level before tightening the screws completely. And that's that. This mount is super heavy duty. It is on a swivel, so it makes it easy to view your TV from different areas in your home. This is also really, really good if you have like an open floor plan type of layout in your home. You can swivel the TV in either direction or tilt it down or up as well. So very, very convenient and a lot of versatility with this mount as opposed to like one that's just, you know, flat against the wall. And so we have got everything mounted. We're just securing the TV. The brackets did come with the mount as well that go on to the back of the TV. And so we're just checking out the swivel. I'll leave all the specs down below and the link as well so that you can read up on it and see what it's all about. See if it's something that you'd be interested in. And y'all know TVs are about to go on sale for tax time, so you're going to be needing a good mount. And this is how it looks from the kitchen view. Again, it does swivel, and he's just making sure that it's completely level. And before we completely secure it once again, and that's that. Again, I'm going to leave the link down below for you guys in case you're interested in a nice TV mount with the swivel and tilt and all the bells and whistles for your TV and viewing pleasure. I'm going to leave the link down below. Make sure you check it out. And that is that. Continue to watch today's video, you guys. And I really, really appreciate them sending me out this mount. Well, Minx appreciates it just as much.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we want to mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, whoa. I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, whoa. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Can live without. Time after time after time, I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. The one that I can live without. Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. 'Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should the
Oh, you're sitting up there. Hey family, welcome back to a Get Ready With Me, okay? I wish y'all could see how I have y'all mounted up here on this. Y'all are literally resting on the towel rack. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Don't mind how auntie is looking, okay? I'm about to clean up, get myself together. It's Saturday. I hope you're having a great day today. I just got up and made my bed. And now I'm about to put myself together, honey, so I can look like somebody loved and care about me. Right now, it's looking like I'm not loved. I think I'm gonna touch my hair up because it's unmanageable. And I found that, I found that when it's like this, if I just go ahead and touch it up, it'll help be able to do something. I don't know what it's gonna do, but it's gonna do something, y'all. What do y'all think about the Minx's DIY renter-friendly kitchen holdover? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Listen, you know it ain't no shame in my game when it comes to, you know, saving some money. or making something look good when you don't have no money. Ain't no shame in my game, honey. Okay? Don't let it be no shame in yours either, sis. It'll also give me an idea, too, of, child, you have seen much better days, haven't you? It'll give me an idea of installing real faux butcher block countertops. Do I really even want to commit to that at the house? Just because that's her style right now, you know? It'll give me time, give her time too. Okay, this is in my way. To decide if she really likes that look. Don't judge my application. Okay? Leave me alone. Oh, it's a lot going on over there. I almost want to go and get me a wig. To be honest, I'm kind of overdoing this every week. I'm over it. I'm over it, but I also don't want to start the process over by coloring my hair darker. Like, I just know I'm not wearing no dark hair. Dark hair, natural dark hair on me, it's just not, it just don't look good. So I already know I'm not going to dye it dark to wear it natural, but I kind of just want to go back to some wigs until the weather changes to hot again. And then go back to my regular hair, because this is getting on my nerves. Or am I just being lazy? I'm probably being lazy, which is fine, you know. I could totally be lazy if I want to. Daily plans are today. Do you have any plans? Are you just relaxing at the house, doing weekend stuff, cleaning, that kind of stuff, or what you doing? Netflix and chilling? Are you booed up? Are you cuddled up? Are you, what you doing? So we need to go to Costco's today, actually. But I wouldn't be mad if he didn't want to go. I wouldn't even be mad. But we are out of our bulk stuff. So we need to do that. But he's at work right now. So, which is still super early in the morning. Well, I'll tell you, them roots changed really quick, didn't they? Alexa, play People by Libianca.
Here's People by Libianca on Amazon. Did you check on me? Did you look for me?
deserve to see the world. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. 'Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah.